comes from a distant land. Feel the strength in every hand. Oh, they try to bring me down, but I elevate. Through the fire I regenerate. Spirit strong, never hesitate. Iration vibes we celebrate. Hey, Iration, feel the vibration. Lift your soul in elevation. From the struggle to salvation, we rise up in Iration. Oh, Iration, no separation. One love across the nations. Through the pain, find liberation. Oh, we stand tall in Iration. Cold nights, but the fire still burns. Every loss is a lesson we learn. From the ashes, new life we bring. Hear the children of Zion sing. Chains break when the truth is spoken. Hearts heal when the love ain't broken. Step by step we claim our right. Walking boldly into the light. No fear when Jah by my side. Through the storm I will not hide. Let the music be my guide. Iration flows like a rising tide. Oh, Iration, feel the vibration. Lift your soul in elevation. From the struggle to salvation, we rise up in Iration. Oh, Iration, no separation. One love across the nations. Through the pain, find liberation. Oh, we stand tall in Iration. Oh, let the rhythm take control. Oh, healing every soul. Oh, from the streets to the highest hill. Oh, Iration lives within us still. So we chant and we sing, let the bells ring loud. Stand firm, stand proud in the crowd. No matter the trials we face each day, Iration will lead the way. Yeah, man. Roots and culture. Feel the vibration. Oh, na na na. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, foot walking on the red earth ground. Heartbeat moving to the drum sound. From the village to the city lights, still I carry Jah truth in my life. Grandfather stories in the breeze, whispers through the ancient trees. Every step is history I walk. Every word is power when I talk. They can't break what's deep inside. Roots so strong I don't have to hide. Through the storm I stand my ground. In the silence hear my sound. I'm a roots man, living by the culture. Truth in my soul, no fear of the future. From the hills to the streets I stand, one with the earth, yeah. Yeah, I'm a roots man. Roots man, chanting for the nation, spreading love and elevation. No chains can hold this spirit free. Rootsman is my identity. City walls try to change my ways, but I remember my older days. Cooking fire, stars above, simple life, full of love. Now I move through a different scene, still the same art, still the same dream. Babylon noise can't drown my song, 'cause my roots keep pulling me strong. Every trial make me wise, see the truth beyond disguise. Stand firm, no compromise. I see freedom in my eyes. I'm a roots man, living by the culture. Truth in my soul, no fear of the future. From the hills to the streets I stand, one with the earth, yeah. Yeah, I'm a roots man. Roots man, chanting for the nation, spreading love and elevation. No chains can hold this spirit free. Oh, Rootsman is my identity. Oh, drumbeat calling me home. Oh, never walk alone. From the roots we rise again, stronger now than we've ever been. So I give thanks for the life I live. Every breath is a gift to give. Stand tall, let the truth expand. Forever proud, I'm a roots man. Oh Lord, yeah man, feel the sunrise. Your light shining bright. Oh, oh, yeah. Golden rays through the window pane, wash away all the stress and pain. New day rising fresh and clean. Life is more than it might seem. Hear the birds as they sing so free, like a message sent just for me. Every breath is a gift I hold, more precious than silver and gold. No more darkness in my way. I give thanks for this used to walk through the pouring rain, carrying all that hidden pain. Now I dance in the morning light. Everything gonna be alright. From the struggle we elevate. No more living in fear or hate. Open heart, let the love come true. What you give comes back to you. Every step in our righteousness, every breath is a sunbless. Keep the faith, don't second guess. Life is filled with sunbless. Sunbless shining down on me. Set my spirit free to be. Through the storm I find my rest. Covered in Jah, sunbless. Sunblessed, feel the warmth inside. Let the love be your guide. From the east to the west, we all live in sunbless. Oh, sunshine on my face. Oh, love I can't replace. Let it glow, let it grow. Feel the healing in your soul. So I rise with the morning light. Heart so clean, spirit so bright. Give thanks for every breath, living life in sunbless. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Zion glow, Zion glow, light my way, guide my steps, night and day. Through the fire, through the rain, I give thanks. Through the pain, Zion glow in my soul. Jah the one who makes me whole. Sunrise breaking through the haze. Another chance, another day. Footsteps steady on this road. Even when it feels so cold. Voices try to pull me down, but my faith love guiding me through the night. Concrete jungle, but my roots run deep. Planting hope in the tears we weep. Hear the drums from a distant land. Feel the strength in every hand. They try to bring me down, but I elevate. Through the fire I regenerate. Spirit strong, never hesitate. Iration vibes we celebrate. Iration, feel the vibration. Lift your soul in elevation. From the struggle to salvation, we rise up in iration. Iration, no separation. One love across the nations. Through the pain find liberation. We stand tall in iration. Oh yeah, yeah. Cold nights, but the fire still burns. Every loss is a lesson we learn. From the ashes, new life we bring. Hear the children of Zion sing. Chains break when the truth is spoken. Hearts heal when the love ain't broken. Step by step we claim our right. Walking boldly into the light. No fear when Jah by my side. Through the storm I will not hide. Let the music be my guide. Iration flows like a rising tide. Iration, feel the vibration. Lift your soul in elevation. From the struggle to salvation, we rise up in iration. Iration, no separation. One love across the nations. Through the pain find liberation. We stand tall in iration. Oh, let the rhythm take control. Healing every soul. From the streets to the highest. Iration lives within us still. So we chant and we sing, let the bells ring loud. Stand firm, stand proud in the crowd. No matter the trials we face each day, Iration will lead the way. Oh, yeah, man. Roots and culture. Feel the vibration. Barefoot walking on the red earth ground. Heartbeat moving to the drum sound. From the village to the city lights, still I carry Jah truth in my life. Grandfather stories in the breeze, whispers through the ancient trees. Every step is history I walk. Every word is power when I talk. They can't break what's deep inside. Roots so strong I don't have to hide. Through the storm I stand my ground. In the silence hear my sound. I'm a rootsman, living by the culture. Truth in my soul, no fear of the future. From the hills to the streets I stand. Oh, to change my ways, but I remember my older days. Cooking fire, stars above, simple life, full of love. Now I move to a different scene, still the same heart, still the same dream. Babylon noise can't drown my song, 'cause my roots keep pulling me strong. Every trial make me wise, see the truth beyond disguise. Stand firm, no compromise, I see freedom in my eyes. I'm a Rootsman, living by the culture, truth in my soul, no fear of the future. From the hills to the streets I stay, one with the earth, yeah. I'm a Rootsman, Rootsman, chanting for the nation, spreading love and elevation. No chains can hold this spirit free. Rootsman is my identity. Oh, drumbeat calling me home. Oh, never walk alone. From the roots we rise again, stronger now than we've ever been. So I give thanks for the life I live. Every breath is a gift to give. Stand tall, let the truth expand, forever proud. I'm a Rootsman. Zion glow, light my way, guide my steps, night and day. Through the fire, through the rain, I give thanks through the pain. Zion glow in my soul, Jah the one who makes me whole. Sunrise breaking through the haze, another chance, another day. Footsteps steady on this road, even when it feels so cold. Voices try to pull me down, oh, but my faith no ever drown. From the roots I rise again, through the loss, through the pain. Every scar a lesson learned, your chest. That's the sign that you are blessed. Glow, shining bright. Glow, through the night. Zion glow, light my way. Guide my steps, night and day. Through the fire, through the rain, I give thanks through the pain. Zion glow in my soul. Jah the one who makes me whole. So I walk with steady pace, guided by His love and grace. Zion glow will never fade in every step I make. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, morning light breaking through the haze. Another day in these Babylon ways. Still I rise, no matter the fight. Got Jah love guiding me through the night. Concrete jungle, but my roots run deep. Planting hope in the tears we weep. Hear the drums from a distant land. Feel the strength in every hand. Oh, they try to bring me down, but I elevate. Through the fire I regenerate. Spirit strong, never hesitate. Iration vibes we celebrate. Hey, Iration, feel the vibration. Lift your soul in elevation. From the struggle to salvation, we rise up in Iration. Oh, Iration, no separation. One love across the nations. Through the pain still. So we chant and we sing, let the bells ring loud. Stand firm, stand proud in the crowd. No matter the trials we face each day, Iration will lead the way. Yeah, man, the sunrise, your light shining bright. Oh, oh, na 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 na. Golden rays through the window pane, wash away all the stress and pain. New day rising fresh and clean. Life is more than it might seem. Hear the birds as they sing so free, like a message sent just for me. Every breath is a gift I hold, more precious than silver and gold. No more darkness in my way, I give thanks for this brand new day. Through the trials I still confess, just surround me with sunbless. Sunbless, shining down on me, set my spirit free to be. Through the storm I find my rest, covered in just sunbless. Sunbless, feel the warmth inside, let the love be your guide. From the east to the west, we all live in sunbless. Oh, used to walk through the pouring rain, carrying all that hidden pain. Now I dance in the morning light, everything's gonna be alright. From the struggle we elevate, no more living in fear or hate. Open heart, let the love come through. What you give comes back to you. Every step in a righteousness, every breath is a sunblaze. Keep the faith, don't second guess. Life is filled with sunbless.